Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Building Center coming back at you with another Milwaukee Monday. For this Monday, we have Milwaukee's M18 3¼ inch planer. Now this thing has a lot of neat features that a lot of other planers don't have, and I'll just walk you through them. To start things off, it'll go from 0 all the way up to a 5/64 depth of cut, and it also gives you a rabbeting capacity of 27/64. Has a chip ejection port on both sides, and this little dial here, actually you can switch it from left to right if you need chips to go one way or the other. It'll give you that ability to do that. It also has this kickstand on the bottom, and I pull it out here, and that actually lifts up that blade off the surface, so that way if I set it down on like a finished surface, if I've already sanded, I don't want to mar things up, just put that kickstand up and it's good to go. This has a 2-blade cutter head. The blades are reversible, so once one side gets dull, just take it off, flip it over, and you're good to go cutting again. Like I said, this little knob here adjusts the depth of cut. So you start out at 0, and then you can just start cranking this all the way up to a full depth of 5/64. And then once you twist it there, it actually locks in place, so you don't have to worry about it moving. And so I'll just dial it about halfway, and we'll take just a normal 2-by. This thing is really great for like doors, or if you just don't want to carry around a hand planer and need something that's quick and reliable. It's really nice for that as well. So we'll set about halfway, and I also have a little paddle safety here. That way I can't actually press the trigger until that paddle safety is engaged. And we'll just run a little bit on this 2-by. Makes a really clean cut in whatever I'm doing. Also leaves really great shavings. If you have sharp knives on the cutter head, makes really quick work of flattening boards and everything. And yeah, this is just a really awesome tool for a woodworker to have, or a carpenter that just needs something quick on the job. Like always, we have this in stock at our Hayes, Russell, and Stockton stores. If you guys want to stop by and check it out, we have it. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. Hit the notification bell. It just alerts you whenever we post new videos. Also, comment on Facebook or YouTube which tool you want to see me do next, and be entered into a giveaway where you get a free Milwaukee 5.0 M18 battery, and also your choice of any color of the hats that we have. We love to hear your guys' comments. We love to see your guys' interactions on our videos, so make sure to subscribe and follow, and we'll see you next time.